Been a long time since I considered adding anything to this painting. It's an 18 by 24 inch and it's got some really cool aspects to it, but I'm not as in love with it as I'd like to be. And so I'm going to mix some colors in my little dish. Right here I have a second dish just in case. I'm going to do what I always do because I want the colors to go further and put some white metallic from Anita's in the bottom. And then I'm going to float some Prussian blue, which really goes a long way, so a little is more than enough. That is some Artist Loft. Prussian blue is Grumbacher or Academy. It's a tube paint. So that is called Cobalt Blue, but it's a metallic turquoise from Artist Loft. And I tried to convince myself to keep these colors simple. That is an amethyst from Artist Loft. Did I just say that? Yeah, I did. This is a somewhat plugged electric blue from Arteza. I don't want a lot of white showing, so I will be adding a little bit more. In this case, it's the Folk Art Purple Flash, which is color shifting. I probably could have used some more paint on the bottom. Let's just put a little bit of this light blue in there also. Help it go a little further. And then I will grab, I have a choice between a shovel or a little scoop. I'll keep the scoop handy. I think I'm going to use the shovel. Oh, you know what I didn't put in there? That I want to put in there is some Chantilly lace, which is a new prism pour from Color Art. And I don't know how that's going to work, but it's definitely prismatic. It's got beautiful prisms in it. So let's bring this back here and take a chance. I think I want to turn it upside down so I can work away from me over here, and I want as much turquoise as I can handle. So I'm just going to dose it with more turquoise right there. Wipe the bottom of my shovel off. I might tip it. Oh, I was going to tip it out, but I like how that mixed. I thought about putting a bunch of gold in here. I don't see any, so I think I might go with silver. And I'm going to check and see whatever I haven't got in my container. And this time I'm going to add some more Purple Flash and maybe a little tiny bit more of that Prussian blue, which is only coming out in droplets. That's okay. Do I want some silver in there? I kind of do. That's an Arteza silver. And that came out in droplets too. Let's see what happens. I don't need any dog hairs. I'm thinking about going from this end down here where there's the big brown spot. I would like that to go over the edge, so I'm going to maybe it's the brownish parts that aren't making me happy. I'm going to put a little more Chantilly lace in there. I'm thinking about bringing in some of the turquoise. It's a color shifting turquoise from Folk Art. And I'm liking just adding colors to my dish as I go. A little more amethyst, a little more of the cobalt blue. Oh, that's a nice shovelful. This one's got to go. So far so good. I want to tip that. That's not my usual reaction. But I think it's going to be okay in this case. Let's go that way. See if we can drip some of it onto the edge catcher. Now it's on my fingers. Now I'm thinking I'm going to go in the other direction after I get that paint off my fingers. I can't wear gloves, my hands sweat too much. I like all of that. I'm tempted to put a little bit of cell activator in a couple places and see what happens. This is Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam black. I got some cells and then they disappeared, so you can't see them. I'm going to put a little bit more of that yellow that I have other places. And I kind of want to try some of this new pink diamond, which is another color art color. New prism pour. Just to see how I like them together. I don't hate them. I am going to use the pan of colors that I have, put some more Chantilly lace in. I think I should have started with a little bit more Anita's. And now I'm going to start with the folk art neon, the folk art purple flash and the pink diamond. A little bit of this pink. Ooh, I was going to do orange, but I've got a blockage. Oh wow, check that out. It's a long one. Get off my finger now, you. That's going to be on the bottom of my shoe next. So this is just Anita's white metallic. I'm going to throw a little bit of hot orchid in there if I can. Things are not cooperating. I'm going to grab that straw so I don't stick it in my mouth after I've added paint to it. Excuse me while I try and open my bottle. This was open a few minutes ago. This is so frustrating when this happens. It's really helpful to keep my tweezers handy because they have nice sharp tips. Stainless steel tweezers are the bomb. I have 2 pair just in case I run out. I am still not getting my tip cleaned out. And I want the hot orchid, what's left of it. So please pardon me. Enjoy the view. That was in there. Wow. That was a surprise. Anyway, my hot orchid is not mixed for metallic, but it's definitely mixed with Floetrol. No paint chips allowed. Alright, so I'm just going to go back to this. Well, I thought it was. There I am. I am going to throw a little bit of orange in there. Is it time for silver? I have silver. Maybe some more of that purple because it was awesome. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Put the turquoise back. I don't think I'm going to use that again. There's the silver. I like the pink with the silver. I like the sink too. I'm going to put a little bit of that electric blue right over here in one corner. And put that in a position where I try and remember to clean it out. I gotta not put my cell activator in with the rest of my paints. That could be disastrous. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my shovel with my blue in it still. And I'm gonna like my shovel. My shovelful is gorgeous. Grab a little more. Dribble it over some of the marks that are there, adding some dimension. I kind of like that. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. I'm not so sure about all of these. So where do I want to start? I want some more orange in there. I don't mind the skipping. Matter of fact, it was actually a plan in my head for a second and I should have said something, but I didn't. If I lower this to the edge of the canvas, it will deposit if I'm patient. Recall. It would have, but then I moved my shovel. It'll still work out. I just need to rest it long enough for me to pull down a little sheet of that color. That's so interesting. So I want to make some more colors up and I have to decide what they're going to be. And I think there should be some more turquoise in there, which is that cobalt blue from Folk Art. And I keep forgetting to put more Anita's white metallic in the bottom. I'll put some electric blue. That's the one that was being problematic. Oh, I got a stream. Good, yay. And I like the darker purple and I didn't. I guess I'm back there again. Oh, that came out too. That's two that need to be cleaned out. Darn. All right, I want the yellow. That's orangey. I hope I don't hate that. Orangey is the word of the day. I want orange. I'm hoping that's going to be okay. It's really obnoxious in the shovel. So, can I do partials? I've never tried to do just partials. That centrally located object that I just covered up was something I was looking, I see it, something I was looking forward to covering up for a while. There, I'm liking this very much. I have some, well, I'm not going to pick my drips up. Check out this card. When those dry, they'll be part of the collage that I want to do. And I really want to do a collage. Some more pink diamond. A little more Arteza, excuse me, a little more Anita's white metallic with pink in it. A little bit of that yellow, not much. I have some Arteza Fiery Red, which is an iridescent. Not sure how much I like that. Golden Hour, I haven't used any of that. I will fix a few things, I think. I'm going to put that with that other yellow. Back to some more Purple Flash from Folk Art and the Artist Loft. Is that satisfactory? No, I'm going to put some turquoise in there. A lot of turquoise, actually. I see something again. Really? Oh yeah, huge. Okay. I gotta do it. I gotta not leave my bottles in the way too. I have too many bottles. This is fun though. This is a little scary, but it's fun. you can figure out how fast the paint is coming out of your shovel, you can definitely use your shovel to draw lines. I am just cheating, throwing my finger into that paint. I am just about done. I want some gold now. And I want to take a skewer, which I had, let that yellow look like it's going behind the lines just by drawing out and creating a flat edge where there's a droplet now. Then do it before it becomes glop. But even after that, if you don't use the paint that's in the line and you add a little bit by dipping it into the skewer, I kind of like that so much. That I'm going to do the same thing right there. I'm losing track of time. And every time I turn around, there's a new something or other on my... I didn't even get it. Wow. I was too distracted by all the stuff I had left on my tweezers. Come here, you. Thank you. Alright, I had a feeling it was going to be like that. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I have over 2,200 videos and they're organized by topic and genre. And if you can't find what you're looking for on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel, you should ask me because I have them all organized by topic and genre and by the 100. I like that yellow up there. I want some blue. And I think I'm going to put it right into the shovel. Every stroke feels like, oh no, this could be the one that's one too many. And that could have been it. But it doesn't seem to stop me, does it? I do like it better than I liked it before. So you guys should know there's a monthly drawing and you can see the exhibition video on the end screen of every video, or most of them anyway. And if you look in the last 20 seconds of every video, I should say, you'll find that exhibition video, and then you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing. And should you want to be entered in the monthly drawing, all that's required is a donation through PayPal. You will find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Yeah, no, this is fun. Do I need more gold? Not really. Probably want some black lines actually. Didn't keep me from doing it. I got 1 minute left to tell you guys. Shop my Amazon link on the link tree and find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will help you shop now. Pixels.com and Fine Art America. I love you guys. If you have questions, please ask. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. If there's anything I can help you with, check out that link tree. If you shop my Amazon link, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. I am pretty happy with this, even though it's very busy, and I have a little bit of color left. And I definitely love these cells in here. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. What should I tell you? Tomorrow's video should be on the community board. If you look for it on my YouTube channel, you'll find it. Or my Facebook groups, including my own page. If you have anything you need to ask me, feel free. If you want to shop my art, use my email address. It's below the link tree. Underneath Show More, you'll find all kinds of stuff.